Take that off the fire. That is done. Nice. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. I don't know why. Somebody's making fish. Gosh, man, it's getting all up in the scent of my food. I'm going to put a little bit of spice in there. I did season it, but I need a little bit of something. A little bit of something. I don't know what I need. I'm going to let that cook down a little bit. See if I can get some of that flavor in there. While I wash up my dishes. I had some leftover carrots from another meal, so I tossed them in there. And my chicken is cooking down, veggies cooking down. I think I need to put a little bit of oil in my pan. I'm not sure, but I think I should, so I'm going to do that. I'm getting a little browning on my chicken. Yes. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It smells delicious. What I'm actually tasting is all of the flavors minus sodium. When I keep tasting, and what I'm actually looking for is the salt that I'm missing, because I have been cutting down on salt. It allows me to taste the natural flavors in food. But I need a little bit of sodium, little bit. And I'm gonna turn my pot down, and I'm gonna simmer this little bit. I'm just gonna put a little shake. Because it activates blessing in the pot. And I don't know why I'm smelling somebody's. It smells like salmon. I don't like salmon at all. Sometimes I try to make it or whatever. But thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. This food will be simmering a little while longer, but I'm not interested in eating right now, so I'm not gonna force myself. Bye bye.